Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with time function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. We can see hour, minute and second here. So what time function does, it joins hour, minute and second and gives a total time. Let's type time, open bracket, then first give hour, comma, then minute, comma, then second. Closing bracket, enter. And you can drag across, you will get the data for both of these rows, and we cannot see second here. So if I select both of them and from home menu i'm going I'm going to custom, and here you can see hour, minute and second plus am pm. So we can select this time format. Okay, you can see this time format. So in this first cell, you can see 3 hour, 10 minutes and 23 seconds. And in this, and this is AM, and here after 12, it gives 3, then 23, then 14, and it is PM. So this is how time function works. Here we will also apply the time function, but with some exceptional cases. Let's apply first. Join hour, then minute, then second. So here we can see 27. We know there are 24 hours in a day. So after 24, 25, 26, 27. So because of 27, it is taking hour of 3, then 5 minutes and 29 seconds. And in this cell, we can see 7 hours. So it should be 7, not 8. But why it is showing 8? Because of 65 minute. We know the 65 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So from this 65 minutes, 60 is gone here, so 7 become 8 hour, and the remaining 5 minutes, so 8 hour, 5 minutes and 38 seconds. So this is how time function works. That's all for today. Thank you very much.